I think that with these sanctions, with this ban, the European Union is pursuing two key goals. First one is to isolate itself from Russian energy. We're not talking only about gas, but also oil. This is upcoming. And the second one is to stop the revenue stream for the Russian state. While the first goal will be probably successful, the second one is partially successful. So yes, the revenue stream for Russia in terms of oil and gas supplies from Europe are significantly lower. Will that change Russian politics? This is the key question, and I'm not sure that we are seeing that exactly. Russian energy companies are switching heavily to Asia, to Asian markets, primarily to China and India. When we're talking about gas, it's mostly China. Of course, Chinese supplies, they cannot replace the European revenues.